Gramps, what's wrong?
Son, I'm losing my hair.
Even the mustache?
Yes.
Oh, at least you have your eyebrows.
All I want to know is what's so cool about manufacturing.
I got you.
Now I have my mission to find out what's so cool about manufacturing for Grump.
eMediaWorks creates the specialty gases that are used in everyday appliances such as cell phones. These specialty gases are used to create the circuitry inside such appliances. They use fluorine and many other gases to create these specialty gases that are used every day.
Hi, my name's Lance Edmonds. I'm the shipping receiving supervisor here at eMediaWorks. And we ship out specialty gases throughout the world and domestically. We do ship out to China, Korea, Singapore, Taiwan, Germany.
Now that we know who ships off the gases, let's go see what happens in the maintenance department.
I'm Chris Kovaleski, Maintenance Engineering Technician for Cell Repair in the Maintenance Department. My job here is to help with the Maintenance Supervisor run cell repair in the Maintenance Department. I've been here for 2 years. Down in cell repair, we pretty much build the cells that you guys already seen in the West plants, I'm assuming. So we're like the hidden gem. We do all the work, we prepare everything, get the tubs ready, the heads and everything ready for the guys to go up there.
Time to go back to the building where we ate. Time to talk to Jillian Marks. Time to find out about ELDP offered by
So with eMediaWorks, I'm a part of the ELDP program, which is a rotational program that allows me to try 3 different jobs over 3 years to grow my skill set and see what interests me the most within the company and really develop myself both personally and professionally.
Long story short, what's so cool about manufacturing is the people who do it.
Gramps, I did it. I found out what's so cool about manufacturing.
What? I got my hair back! Wait a minute.
Who are you?
Who are you?
Why are you recording?